This lesson shows a variation of the Ruy Lopez opening we discussed previously. This move controls the central square d5 and allows the bishop on f1 and the queen on d1 to develop. Black controls the central square d4, the bishop on f8, and the queen can now develop. White attacks the black pawn on e5. Black defends the e5 pawn. White attacks the black knight, which is defending the black pawn on e5. Black attacks the white bishop on b5. The open Ruy Lopez continues with b4 and is the most common reaction here. Black pins the white knight on f3 to the white queen on d1. Both sides have survived the first 5 moves, and an interesting game will follow.